Hi guys, Rich Water here, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can earn up to $30 per hour watching videos. Yeah, it's too good to be true, but I will explain you everything in the video. So without further words, let's jump into it.
So guys, the site we will be talking today about called Try My UI, and this how this site looks. So what you will be doing here, you need to watch videos of the real people using your website and find out. So you will be testing like videos on website. So you can see get paid. You can click to get paid to the test or free trial. You need to log in or start a free trial. Okay. So remote usability testing. How it works? Set up your test. So the creators will create a test. Pick your target user. So you choose the creators will be choosing who will be testing their sites, and watch the video, collect videos to hear what users are thinking and see where they getting stuck. So as you can see, you will be testing and like watching the video. Here's where you will come and you will be collect the videos. The creator will be collect the videos, and we will be say him what we think about that video, and that's how it works. As you can see, what brands: NBC, Amazon, and this is what big brands are working with this sites, which is pretty cool. Okay, use your own testers. With our team of the explained plans, you can use Trima Eurostan usability testing software with your own test plan for the little as the $300 per month. Yeah, but this is for creators, and how much you will earn? You will earn around uh, like per test $10 or more, but in hour if you will watch 3 videos, so it could be $30 per hour, and it's quite good. So it's around 1k in a month, which is a lot, I guess, and you can pay your rent or something like that if you will do this. If you will do this, like for the couple of the hours every single day. So I think it's pretty cool. Okay, let's check out pricing. Pay per result. Each test credit is $35. Here it's a personal team. You will need to they will need to pay $300 per day, and extreme $1,500 per month. And this is just insane. Yeah. So it just depends how much users will be test their site. Let's go here, FAQ, and this is my favorite part of the all sites, because here you will get all the informations what we need to start work with sites. Okay, plans and pricing, what the credits, how Trimonial works, how you should use, how use competitors with other testing tools to the method, plans and pricings, what is credit, and these credits are used to order test results from the our user panel. So you need to become a user panel, and that's what's the main thing. Do my credits roll over? How my works? What do I get of the test? You will get the nature of videos, and so we can read this, and this will be information what we need to do. Video, each user, navigations, your website, app, report, talking about what they like or dislike. So you need to just talk about what you like or dislike on that site. Okay, guys. Um, hope that some of you will find this site useful, and some of you will make money on it.
So guys, hope that you like this video. Please write me in the comment what you want me to talk with you in the next videos, and as always, earn and spend money online.